Hey beauties, if you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel. This video I'm rather excited about because I'll be checking out the false lashes but 10-day lash extensions. Basically supposed to be a DIY lash extensions which you can do for yourself at home, and it's supposed to last 10 days and it's waterproof and so on. This was actually sent for me by Moitié, it's a brand called Moitié, as a PR, and I'm really actually excited to try this, and I'll tell you why exactly. Because I used to be obsessed with lash extensions. If you've been following me for a while, you've probably seen my videos in the past where I have lash extensions. I have nothing against lash extensions. I really love the way it looks, and you know, you wake up, your lashes are on, amazing, especially for Vicky, which we're all dreaming about right now. But the minus about lash extensions is damages your lashes majorly. I shared before a few videos about that because my lashes were so badly damaged, like I barely had any lashes. First of all, it was very short, and second, like ripped off together with lash extensions, you know, when you brush your lashes or wash your face or so on. And honestly, after wearing lash extensions for, I think I had like over a year constantly, or 2 years maybe even, my lashes were really bad. And then I find out the brand called iGlow, like a lash serum, and my lashes grew back so nice and healthy. But saying that, I still really like the look of the false lashes and, you know, lash extensions, and I kind of considering go back, but I don't really want to damage my own lashes. And this is where this brand came. So the idea of this brand is basically it's a DIY lash extensions that doesn't damage your own lashes, which sounds like, how can it be? So I have some lashes in here because we were trying to send me. Lashes comes in like a clusters, you see? So it's not like individual lashes, so therefore the lashes, like your own natural lashes, are not overweighted, because with these lash extensions, like one lash would get like, you know, multiply lashes stuck onto that. But this, because it's in a cluster, so bigger amount kind of, you know, equalizes the lashes because it's more lashes getting that lashes on, if that makes any sense. So therefore it's not supposed to damage your own lashes. So I got a few lash styles. I don't know the name of this one because I can't find a name, but it looks really pretty. I think I might try these ones today to begin with. So I love it. You get the brush and applicator and all. I'll show you everything I got, so you can check it out properly. You know, another thing that I really like about it, because it's in a cluster, so you can put just on the outer corner, you don't need to do all the way through. So I got more things in here. So I have this really nice makeup bag, then I have this 10-day super lash extensions applicator, and then I have this little pouch in here. So what we have inside is, we have a 10-day lash seal, super lash bond, super lash remover. And then we have in here, what is this actually? I don't really know. Doesn't say anything. Oh, it's a LED hand mirror. Oh, that sounds interesting. So first thing first, they say to have the lashes clean. My lashes are clean. I'm wearing obviously makeup, so that might majorly contribute to lashes not staying 10 days on. But then I have other lashes to try on, so I can try all of this and see if it's really working for 10 days. It says to start with 10-day lash bond to coat top of the lashes with this. Next thing they say to do is take lashes, so I'm gonna take these ones and then start from the outer corner, working inwards. Here's what I need to do is to get this DIY lash extensions applicator out. Love it is rose gold. It's very handy actually. I'm gonna take this segment out first. So next thing I'm doing, I'm taking the same bond and I'm gonna line this band part with this. Okay, so all lash segments are on now. I just need to squeeze it all together. They say to wait for the glue to dry before going with another layer. So I'm gonna do this on this eye and then come back to this. to be honest guys, I found so much easier to apply on this eye rather than I did on this eye, because I think this is my, you know, tester one, because I just tried for the very first time and this is my second go, so kind of this went so much better, so much faster as well. Next step is a super lash seal, so need to go with this under the lashes, like with mascara. Alright you guys, so both lashes are on. I really love the way it looks, but you know, we're gonna see how it's gonna wear. If it's gonna be sitting on properly, it's not gonna, you know, unglue itself when I'm gonna be removing this makeup look. It might be my mistake by having a makeup when applying it on. Maybe I should have applied it first, wait for it to dry, and then go with makeup. Because even in this like a little leaflet how to use it, they say that avoid getting your lashes wet for up to 48 hours after application. So it's basically exactly the same with your lash extensions would be. Saying about these lashes, really love the way it looks. I think my eyes just goes like, you guys think? Like, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. So what I'm gonna do, because now it's morning, so I'm gonna be wearing this all day, so hopefully the glue will proper dry and everything, and then I'm gonna, you know, remove my makeup obviously at the end of the day before sleep, because I'm not sleeping with a full face of makeup. Doesn't make sense. And then I'm gonna come back tomorrow to you to see how this looks, if the lashes are still okay or it fell off when I was removing makeup or anything. I don't know. I have no idea, but you know, I'm always super honest with you with any of my reviews, no matter if it's sponsored, it's a PR item or anything like that. So we shall see tomorrow, because if the lashes are still tomorrow after I remove the makeup and everything, then it's very big possibility it actually can stay 10 days. Because you know, if it stayed for everything, sleeping, remove makeup, rubbing, shower, no, because I take shower before sleep. Although we say don't get wet for 48 hours, but even with normal lash extensions, I never follow a rule, so I'll see you tomorrow to see if the lashes are still on. Hey beauties, so this is the next day, my lashes are still on and I'm a bit surprised, and I'll tell you why. So it survived 2 showers, one last night and one today morning, and a sweat. Basically these are DIY lash extensions, so you're supposed to be behaving exactly the same when you would get normal lash extensions, therefore to, you know, not get wet, sweaty and so on. I was proper exercising today morning, I mean like proper, I was drenched, so which is no good for lash extensions because you need to wait 48 hours for it to dry properly. So it survived 2 showers. Yesterday you see me, I had a full-on makeup, and to be honest, when I was removing my makeup I totally forgot that these lashes supposed to stay, and I used the oil-based makeup remover. If you haven't seen my previous video, I did like a proper video of my skincare routine, my evening skincare routine, how I remove my makeup and so on. So I always use the coconut oil and then I wash it off with a face wash to, you know, remove the coconut oil, because coconut oil would kind of break down the makeup, and then a proper face wash, like makeup remover face wash, would break down the oil, so it kind of cleans it properly off, there's nothing stuck on your face. So I totally forgot and I did that, and then I had this oil on and I was like, oh shit. Here goes my lashes. Honestly, I was like total out of it. So it survived 2 showers, a proper, you know, oil-based makeup removing, and it's still here, like in place. Nothing happened. I'm majorly surprised. So I'm sure it can easily stay for 10 days if it survived, you know, straight away without glue properly sticking on, you know, to shower, sweat, oil-based remover and so on. And if you're gonna go and try this 10-day lash system, make sure you do it when you don't have makeup, like full face of makeup on, especially the eyeliner and something with a glitter, because that was just a pain in the ass to remove having the lashes on. So do the lashes on a bare face, wait for a glue properly to dry, and then do your makeup, you know, like the next day, and you'll be sorted. Really surprised that it survived all that. Like, just look at this. It's like proper in place. Yeah, that's a thumbs up from me. I really wasn't expecting this result. Okay, let's go back to the end of this video. I really hope you guys found this video helpful. If so, leave a comment down below, let me know, and don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you like the content that I'm doing and you want more videos from me. Leave a comment down below, let me know as well if you tried this brand and if it worked or didn't work for you, and what should I review next up on my channel. And I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye! Have an amazing day, guys. Ciao!